गाइस हम खड़े हैं अमनप्रीत वाही के बेडरूम के बाहर, वेट कर रहे हैं कब वो अपना दरवाजा खोलें और हम जाएं और चेक करें उनकी वार्डरोब में क्या क्या है।
Hello, what's up?
You tell me, long
How are
time.
you?
Very good. अमन, you know, आज मैं आपके पास चाय कॉफी या कुछ और पीने नहीं आया।
वो भी पिएंगे बाद में।
वो बाद में पिएंगे, but you know the reason why.
I'm always hungry, as you know. But I know why you're here. To raid my wardrobe. And to show the world what I actually carry. तो तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैंने wardrobe सारा clean
चलो,
कर
अच्छी
दिया।
बात है।
So no one will know my ugly secrets. So I think Amit, you would really like to see my shoe closet first.
Yes.
मेरे सारे friends काफी fan हैं इस जगह के. And it was actually a very small toilet first, which I've converted into a shoe closet because I don't need two bathrooms in the same room.
Okay.
So let's see.
अच्छा, तो ये है गाइस, आप लोगों को इसकी हिस्ट्री पता
Say
है।
wow.
It was, मैं इनको पहले बता दूं कि it was actually a toilet which she converted into a shoe closet and it
Yes.
is absolutely wow.
It was more than toilet, look at your shoe closet. I mean, how many toilets do you need? I have a shoe fetish. I buy so many bags, shoes. Where will they go? On my, like, I have to have
In the
place for
toilet?
them. In the toilet, which looks like a lovely showroom shop now. I mean, you can spend as much money
Absolutely.
here whenever I plan to auction, whenever I get bored of them.
Let's see the oldest pair.
Okay, so the first section you see is not to be seen. These are actually my precious ones, which I just picked up on my first anniversary trip to London. These are Ralph Lauren, and I absolutely love them. I love Ralph Lauren. I love their clothes, and I saw these shoes, even though they're half-inch shorter on me. They look like baby shoes right
Yes,
now,
they do.
but I had to buy them because I absolutely love them. So these ones also I picked up this time from London. These also this time.
I like this color. I think it's a
Yeah,
very in color these
oh
days.
my
You know,
god,
this
these
coral.
are my current favorite sandals right now. I love peach, I love orange.
50 pounds,
I love
nice.
anything to do with it. These are from Next, and these are for 50 pounds. See, I remember all my shoes. These are just at home Prada chappals, but I love the color, and I got a yummy peach Prada pouch with it.
Oh, okay.
So I think I bought them for the pouch.
Oh, I was looking for yellow.
Yeah.
You got yellow.
Well,
I was
this
wondering why
is
you don't
very
have yellow.
cute. I have a lovely swimming costume which I picked up from a very nice boutique in London. And,
Which you want to show our viewers.
Yes, sure. Not on me. And these are to go with that. I think they're so cute. You know, also I feel a lot of people think कि beach पे जाके you should just be drabby and chappals. I don't believe in that. I believe you should look stylish everywhere. So it's matching my costume, and I have bags matching with it as well. So it's the whole look.
Actually, talking about bags.
Yes.
All bag. I mean, I can see a lot of brands.
My latest buy is this beautiful Dior bag. It's a limited edition bag, and it's just gorgeous. I actually feel it's beautiful. It's a Christian Dior limited edition, and there are probably just 5 or 6 of them in this whole world. And I'm one of those. I love belts as well. I love belts. Like this one I picked up from Fendi this time.
Or maybe he's been just given
You
one
know,
trunk.
actually, me and Raghav, we share belts.
Right. Yes.
Like they're kind of unisex. Yeah. I'm not brand crazy, but yes, I
was about
love
to say
collecting.
that is just like. अमन, मेरे को वहाँ पे बहुत सारे परफ्यूम्स नजर आ
I know. This is actually.
रहे हैं। लो, यहाँ पे भी Prada. How
This
many
is
bags do
this
you
is
have?
my regular Prada
Everyday Prada.
everyday Prada.
What all is there in your
No,
Now
that's
you
a
have to
secret.
show. You have to show us. Censor it and
Okay.
show it to us.
Glares, wallet. No need to see any money, only cards. This is no brand. Wow.
Oh my god, that's the first one.
And my hairbrush is always there. Yay! I have a mini DKNY Apple perfume.
Oh, this is so cute.
But I've kept all my perfumes here so that I can access them easily.
I wanna be a billionaire. so freaking bad.
I love this. It's Nina Ricci. It's beautiful. It's Nina Ricci apple. I mean, you should really smell this.
I wanna be on the cover.
Yeah, Metro sexy. And this is Elizabeth Arden, Apple, Gucci, Pure Poison, and Bulgari is my party perfume. It's really nice as well. I love it. It's my current favorite as well for the night.
अमनप्रीत 5 मिनट के लिए हमें अकेला छोड़ के जरा थोड़े से काम के लिए गई हैं। तो मीनवाइल व्हाई डोंट वी गो एंड रेड हर वार्डरोब उनके आने से पहले, जिससे कि वो उसे साफ ना कर पाए शू क्लोजेट की तरह। चलिए। अमनप्रीत अब आने वाली होंगी, लेकिन उनकी गैरहाजिरी में उनकी वार्डरोब में से मैंने कुछ सामान ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट करके रख लिया है। Because I'm not too lazy to walk to her wardrobe. So let her come here and then we'll take it from there.
Hello, I'm back. Well, I see you comfortable on my bed. Oh my god, what have you done? Well,
I've pulled out some pieces, whatever.
oh no! I hope all good ones. So I see you picked up a lot of colors. Nice.
Yes, I picked up this because I remember those chappals.
It's censored. You can't see it.
And I remember the yellow swimsuit you told me that you have.
Yes.
So tell
You
us
know,
about
in
it.
fact, the story about this is that I picked up the chappals before because I thought they were really cute and beachy. So this is like this. It looks really hot, and I love the color. I think the
lovely
color
color.
really
It's a lovely sunshiny
is made for our skin tone. You know, Indian skin tone, and really makes us look golden brownish. That's the story behind my yellow, not worn swimsuit even once.
So what is the one thing which has been lying in your wardrobe for a very long time and you haven't had a chance to wear it, or you don't know when to wear it and where to wear it?
This has been lying in my wardrobe since very long. It's that, it reminds me of that song.
Zara, Zara.
Zara Zara touch me, touch me. that Katrina's, and I must say Katrina's carrying it off really well.
Yes.
And she's looking fantastic in it, and with all those movements and everything.
Yeah.
But I don't have to do any dance number in it.
No,
So
but
how do I
maybe
wear
you
it,
can-
Amit?
I mean, you can perform a
Is it
private
nice?
dance in your bedroom for your
Yeah,
students.
censored, edit. So what else have you picked up?
I don't know, you tell me. I see a lot of these red carpety
Oh,
dresses.
this I love. This is my latest buy. Well, I just bought it on Sunday, which was just 2-3 days back,
Yeah,
and
please tell
I'm planning to wear it on my birthday. So you're ruining my surprise.
Oh, oops. Okay, just censor
But it's
it.
okay. They'll not see it on me. They'll just see it. It's beautiful. It's very red carpety. It looks like, you know, a designer full-on gown, like a Dolce or a Gori and Nanika for that matter. But it's actually Zara. It's really pretty. It's beautiful, and I hope it's not on sale because that'll break my heart. And this is again a costume. I love costumes. You know, when I go for a holiday, it's usually one costume each day. So there's my wardrobe. My God, you've like shown everybody what I have.
I
There's
don't
still
think
more,
so.
by the way.
There's, as she told us that there's another hidden wardrobe,
Yes.
which is somewhere in this house. So I'm sure we're gonna put our spies onto it.
No, but I like to clear the
Okay.
air. I'm not designer obsessed at all. Yes,
See,
you saw the
listen,
closet.
No, let me just.
You
there's
saw
this-
the designer
there's
closet.
Gucci, Prada, Versace,
Shut
Louis
up.
Vuitton, Christian Dior, Marc Jacobs. Am I missing out on anything?
No.
Fendi, Hermes,
No,
Dolce
I am
Gabbana,
not-
I think I said it.
in
but
my
she's
defense-
not fixated about the designer's guys.
Shut
She's
up.
not
In my
brand
defense,
conscious. She's not brand conscious.
in my
You're
defense,
not, sweetie. You're not brand conscious.
I am not. I mix and match. You
Yeah.
just saw Primark clothes.
They're like 3 Primark and like 15 Dolce Gabbana.
No, you should always mix and match. And see, if you find some designer label and if you're into designer brands and they're on discount, I think it's totally worth buying
But
them.
you just said that you're not into designer brands.
No, I am.
I'm
I'm not crazy about that. Everything in my wardrobe does not have to be designer.
But honey, with your
But
kind
I
of looks and
love-
body, you don't need
Oh.
any designer brands.
Oh,
I mean, you
how
can just
sweet.
pick something off from anywhere and put it on, and you look fabulous.
You're just saying that because you're my friend.
I'm not saying that
And
just
you're on
because I'm your
TV.
friend. That's not true.
No, I think it was great having you. I mean, it didn't feel like what we're doing is serious.
I know
or
this is a lot of
It
fun.
was so much fun. Thank you so much.
Mwah.
Mwah.